What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me on another video. Today we are going to finish off the side skirts. I pushed myself this week or this weekend to come over here because it is, believe it or not, it's a little bit sunny out. Not warm, but it's warm enough to paint. I checked the humidity and that, so yeah. And I've got the fan going. I've got the heater on in here, so it's been going for over an hour or so. Bloody hell, it's warm in here and it's really cooking. So I put these in front of the heater for the minute just to get warm. So I bought myself some high coat again, clear lacquer. I bought two bigger cans this time. That should be enough to do the whole entire side skirts. And I need to take the wing mirrors off the car because I want to give them another coat as well of clear lacquer. Even though I gave them like 3 coats, I really want them glossy and really shiny as well. And I've also got the caps in here that need another coat. These have been done, as you can sort of see. But another few coats and they'll be ultra glossy. I'm still after 2 front caps, and if anyone out there's got any front caps, let me know. Like I said, I need them ASAP. I will really appreciate that. So anyone out there got any front caps in silver and in good condition, please let me know. And yeah, right. So I'm not going to film this because, like I said last time when I filmed it, it's just the spray in here just goes everywhere. So yeah, the next time you see it, guys, I should give it 1 or 2 coats, and then we'll move on from there. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Like I said, you want to get the high coat stuff because it's bloody good stuff, and that is really nice and warm now. Put that on the floor for a minute. Give it a good shake. Like I said, this high coat, like I said, high coat is brilliant paint. You know, people, whoever make this whoever you are, high coat, whoever you are, get in contact with me. Let's sponsor, you know, send me some more awesome colours because I've got wheels to paint down there, and I want like gunmetal grey, but a very light gunmetal grey. So high coat, or whoever this company is, get in touch with me. My email address is down below. Let's make it happen. Let's get some alloy wheel paint, and yeah. So like I said, I absolutely love this stuff. It's such good paint. So yeah, let's first things first, you want to do, obviously they've been sat down here about 8 days now, so they're completely dried and they've got dust over them, so I've just gave them a wipe as well. So give them a wipe, make sure there's nothing sat on it. You don't want nothing going in the clear coat, and then you're all good. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Right, so I've given this a good few coats, almost used the whole can. Dries so quick, and also the heater in here, I'm using the hairdryer as you can see down there as well, just to help cure it, stop any run marks from happening. I've given it quite a lot of coats. I've lost count now at the bottom, especially in the corners and that, where obviously the rocks hit it and the debris gets at the sides here, not so much on top. I've given it more of a coat on the bottom. I've given it quite a lot of coats on here as well, on the top part here, where the door will be in and out, when you get in and out the door along this part here, obviously for wear and tear. But yeah, I've given it all a good even amount of coats. I've left the cap on. When it's dried, I do need to take this cap off and give it a little spray in there as well, clear lacquer. I've already done it. I've had to break the glue, and yeah, now I've glued these back on with some tiger seal and some, when it's completely cured as well, I'll come back later on and I will fiberglass them back on the back to stop them from popping off and stop anyone from being cheeky and stealing them as well. So they'll be fully stuck on there. But yeah, overall, so far, so good. As you can see, it gives a nice smooth finish. Not bad for a DIY job. I mean, you know what? I'm happy. You're not going to see them on the bottom of the car. It's dark down there when the car is washed, and when it gets dirty quickly in the UK, you don't really notice it. And over time, it will fade, and it, you know, it discolour to the same colour of the car over time, and yeah, it just wear in nicely. So I'm going to leave this one now to dry. I'm going to grab the other one and start on that one because it's outside at the moment. I didn't want it to be overspray on there, so I'm going to bring it in. Going to put this one out there. Right then, guys, so like, I don't know how long it's been now, another hour probably. This one's just had its last coat. I probably will give it one more actually, just for like when I take it outside, and when it's completely dry I'll run my hands over it. You can see it's nice and glossy though. On this one there is 2 small imperfections, a little bit of a run The other one was alright. There's only a tiny little run on that one. I just about noticed it. I wasn't going to notice it, but now I noticed it slightly. But it's okay, it's near the edge, so you won't notice it. I'll just rub it out. There's one here. I'm waiting for that to dry. Now I can sand that out, and then, yeah, it's only a very, very low spot that is. So I can sand that out, and then cut and compound and make it nice and shiny. And on the edge here, there's a little run here, just a tiny little bit. Again, that's right on the corner of the ridge. I can rub that back, and then just a bit of cut and compound, and that'll be alright. But other than that though, they've actually come out alright. So coming outside to look at this one, it's got a nice bit of shine to it. I do need to give it another coat around about here. You can hear it nice and smooth. Smooth. It is smooth, just I didn't obviously get enough coat in there. Yeah, it's lovely and smooth. It's dried. Same here, it's nice and smooth, and then it's a little bit rough just here, just on this little ridge here. Obviously, need to give it a few more coats. But other than that though, really, really nice. Obviously, being a silver, there's a little run, just a tiny little bit there. I can rub that out. It's right on the ridge though, so you won't really see it. I've got something going on the side skirt, so you definitely won't see that, but I'm going to rub that back anyway when it's completely cured. And yeah, then like I said, give it a bit of polish. Very, very light cut and compound, and then all the edges are lovely and smooth. These are lovely and smooth, really smooth along here. That's the bits that I'm worried about most, because obviously it's rubbing up against the side of the car, down the sides here, nice and smooth. So yeah, getting in and out the car, obviously this bit here sits on the door seal, so in and out the car all the time. I'm going to keep rubbing it away, so I made sure I covered that part quite a lot. But yeah, looking forward to hopefully next week they'll be on the car. So I've got a few things to install in the car. One is a new antenna, because I have a new stereo. I've been waiting 7 days now and the stereo is still not here, so I might as well install this. I thought I'd buy a new aerial, because the standard Fiesta one, which is this one, is ridiculously long and very, very ganky looking here. So just unscrewed it like so. You can see this one's pretty manky and green. Yep. And the standard Ford aerials are, well, just radios, and aerials on Fords are terrible to get a signal. This one's much smaller. Doesn't look like an RC car now. Big long old aerial add on it. It's nice because it sort of lips over a little bit as well. Pretty cool. There we go. There we go. Nice small stubby aerial. Perfect. Right, that's one job down. Another job now is obviously get the fascia and that all ready. It's going to have to come out again anyway when I get the stereo. But yeah, I've got it all ready. If you're wondering what sort of aerial this is from, I think it's from a Toyota Yaris. I got it brand new off eBay. But yeah, it's just, I'll look for a small one with a strong signal. Apparently this one works and it fits, so we'll soon find out. Anyway, back in the Fiesta, we are putting the fascia in here and getting it all ready. Because we're in a tier 4, I can't really go out. I don't have the scrapyards open or anything, so I do need to go in the scrapyard, get a new one of these, because it's got a hole here when I had the parent system in there. So I need a new vent as well. But yeah, so I went online and bought a kit. You know, I've got it all here before from my ST, but I thought I'd just buy the kit online, it's cheap enough. It comes with actually some pins to remove the stereo. Typical when I went and bought some from Halfords, it comes with 4 pins, so make sure I keep those safe. It comes with some clips as well to hold something again, I don't know. It actually comes with an aerial adapter. I have loads of these lying around, but knowing me, I wouldn't be able to find it, so I might thank God it came with that, because that just gives me peace of mind. Comes with a wire harness as well. I do have one of these, but from my ST, but I don't know if this will be the same. So this one's for a Fiesta, so I thought stuff it. It comes in the kit, and here's the fascia. So this fascia comes with a little tray on the bottom. It actually does not stick to it, you can actually pull it out. This is the bit I need to go in here, just to cover that hole up, like so. So the fascia's in. They never sit flush, do they? I'm going to have to trim this, I think, a little bit. It sits nice and flush down here, and it sticks out up here, flush, sticking out. So I probably will end up trimming it, but yeah, that's that in. Let me check the wiring as well, make sure it all fits up. Okay, so I've got the adaptive wire harness in. A little bit stiff getting this side in. It doesn't look like it lines up, but it does. That side does. Well, it clicked, but any time will tell. So I'm just going to plug this back in here for now. Out the way. But yeah, at least when our stereo comes, all I've got to do is push it in, and probably have to drill some holes in here to adapt the plates in there. But for now, because I ain't got a stereo, I'm just going to put that in there for now. Might as well, not, eh? Might as well use that for a minute. Maybe put it in the middle there like that. Maybe because when I'm driving at the moment, I can just put my phone in there. You know, I've got a cradle actually. I don't know. Just might as well use that for the minute. Right, let's move on to the next one. What I'm going to do now, I've got the heater back on. I didn't even hear it. Oh, it's lovely morning already. I'm going to let this one cure. I'm going to bring the other one in as well. I'm sitting both side by side. So I do need to spray that one, like I said, in the corners a little bit, just to give it a bit more protection. And other than that, I'm going to leave them in here cure for a little bit. And then before I go home later, I will come back in here. Let's see if they're dried enough so I can stand them back up, get them out of the way. My dad does come in here. This is his shed. So I will stand them up, put them back in the corner, make sure they're completely dry before I do that. And make sure that nothing sits against them. And then I'll come back next week, leaving the dry over the weekend, and getting ready to stick them on the car. Looking forward to that. So I'm gonna see you guys